This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready, update the app on both devices, and link your Bandai Namco ID. Once done, charge each device above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Now open Dragon Ball Legends on the source device and generate the transfer code or cloud token. This is the key. Make sure you copy it exactly and confirm the expiry time. You do this because the transfer code authenticates your account and prevents data loss during the handoff. You now perform the transfer. On the target device, select Data Transfer and pick Transfer Code or Cloud Restore. Enter the code exactly or sign into the same Bandai Namco ID to link cloud data. This step validates ownership. Grant any requested permissions for storage and network access so files can download. While the client fetches assets and account data, do not switch networks or close the app. This prevents partial restores and corrupted game states that would trigger the 24-hour lock. You finish by verifying the main menu, roster, items, and purchases match the source account. This confirms success. If the transfer fails and the game enforces a 24-hour lock, do not keep retrying. Wait the window or submit a support ticket with transfer code, timestamp, device model, and OS. That information speeds resolution. As a final tip, keep screenshots and logs ready. Support uses them to restore accounts faster when automatic transfer mechanisms fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.